Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a crucial dating dilemma that many of us have faced, the friend zone. You meet someone great, you click, you spend time together, and then suddenly you're just a friend. It's a situation we all want to avoid, right? So let's explore why this happens and, more importantly, how you can steer clear of it. Being friend zoned is like getting stuck in the Bermuda Triangle of dating. Once you're in, it feels impossible to escape. But don't worry, we're here to break down the reasons why guys often end up in the friend zone and how you can steer clear of it. Let's get started. Communication is key. First up, let's talk about communication. If you want to avoid the friend zone, you need to be clear about your intentions right from the start. When you're interested in someone, let them know. You don't have to declare your love immediately, but dropping hints and being a bit flirty can show your romantic interest. Remember, honesty is the best policy. By communicating openly, you eliminate any ambiguity about your feelings and intentions. Self-confidence. Self-confidence is a game changer in the dating world. When you believe in yourself and show that you value yourself, others will see you in a more positive light. Confidence is attractive. So how do you build self-confidence? Focus on your strengths, pursue your passions, and take care of yourself physically and mentally. When you feel good about yourself, it shows, and people are naturally drawn to that energy. Setting boundaries. Next, let's talk about the power of setting boundaries. If you're always saying yes to everything and constantly available, you might come off as too accommodating. It's important to set boundaries and show that you value your own time. Have your own life and plans. This not only shows self-respect, but also makes you more intriguing. By establishing boundaries early on, you can prevent being seen as just a friend and demonstrate that you have your own priorities. Timing is everything. Timing is crucial when it comes to romance. If you're interested in someone, don't wait too long to make your intentions clear. Showing romantic interest early on can help steer the relationship in the right direction. Look for the right moments to express your feelings, whether it's through thoughtful gestures, planning romantic outings, or having a heartfelt conversation. Being a good listener. Being a good listener is a superpower in the dating world. Take the time to understand the other person's needs, desires, and boundaries. Show empathy and be attentive. By actively listening, you can build a deeper connection and avoid being sidelined as just a friend. Engage in meaningful conversations, ask thoughtful questions, and show that you care about what they're saying. Self-improvement. Self-improvement is not just about physical appearance, but also about personal growth. It's a journey that can make you a more attractive and desirable partner. Whether it's learning a new skill, advancing in your career, or taking up new hobbies, self-improvement shows that you're ambitious and committed to personal growth. This can be incredibly appealing to potential partners, so let this be a source of motivation and inspiration for you to work on becoming the best version of yourself. Understanding common pitfalls. So, why do some guys always seem to end up in the friend zone? It could be a combination of factors like not being assertive enough, lacking confidence, or simply not being on the same page as the other person. By being aware of these potential pitfalls, you can take steps to avoid them and navigate the dating world more successfully. This knowledge empowers you to take control of your dating life. Understand that sometimes the connection just isn't there, and that's okay. Focus on being your best self and finding someone who appreciates you for who you are. In conclusion, getting friend-zoned is a common dating dilemma, but it's not a permanent sentence. By communicating openly, being confident, setting boundaries, showing romantic interest, being a good listener, working on self-improvement, and understanding common pitfalls, you can increase your chances of avoiding the friend zone and finding a fulfilling relationship. Share your own experiences with being friend-zoned in the comments below. And if you want more dating advice, make sure to check out our other related videos. Remember, you're not alone in this dating journey. We're here to help you navigate the ups and downs of relationships, and we understand the challenges you're facing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content.